Installing the GOT Kodi build on your FireStick or Android device is a straightforward process that can elevate your streaming experience. First, ensure that you have the Kodi app installed. If you haven't done this yet, just head to the Amazon App Store or Google Play Store and download it. Next, you'll need to enable apps from unknown sources. Go to Settings, then My Fire TV or device, select Developer Options, and turn on apps from unknown sources. This step is crucial for installing the build. Now, open Kodi and navigate to the Settings gear icon. Click on File Manager, then Add Source. Here, enter the URL for the GOT build repository. Make sure to double-check the URL for accuracy. Once added, return to the Kodi home screen, select Add-ons, then click on the Package Installer icon. Choose Install from zip file, find the source you just added, and select the repository zip file. After that, go back to the Add-ons menu. Select Install from Repository, find the GOT build repository, and choose Program Add-ons. Click on the GOT build wizard and hit Install. Once installed, launch the wizard, and you'll see the option to install the GOT build. Follow the prompts, and in just a few minutes, you'll have a fully loaded Kodi build ready for streaming. Enjoy your enhanced viewing experience.